Are you tired of hunting through Odoo's menus just to change a user's permission? Learn how to switch roles in under a minute. We'll start at the homepage, then click through Settings, Users and Companies, and Users. From there, you'll select the user, adjust the role, and save. First, navigate to the homepage to get yourself oriented. Then, go ahead and click on Settings to open the configuration menu. Now, look for the top bar and click on Users and Companies. From there, click on Users to see the list of user accounts. Next, find and click on the user whose role you want to change. Once the user's form opens, locate the Roles section on the page. In the Roles section, choose either User or Administrator as the new role. Finally, click the Save button at the top left to apply the change, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.